So hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to learn what are variables and how we can use variables in our requests or in our collections. So without any further ado, let us start the video. So guys, for this collection you have three dots, right? Click on the three dots, click on edit. So we'll be navigated to different tabs here: authentication, prerequisites, test, and variables. Right? You can add a variable here, add a new variable. Here, if you see, so request.in, reqres.in is common, right? For this both requests. So we can use this reqres in a variable and we can store it in our collection and we can use to avoid the redundancy. The same variable can be used all the time, we don't have to type the same thing, right? So let me copy this up to the reqres.in slash. So let me go back to the same page, click on three dots, click on edit, click on variables. So we can type the variable here. So I'll write the URL as URL. So request.in. Okay. In order to use that, so you just have to write two flower brackets, open two flower brackets, close two flower brackets. You can see URL. If you type, just click on somewhere, hover it. So set a scope, global scope, right? Set variable. Fine. If you hover it, you can see request initial current. So also you can have added the variable from here. If you write current value also we can write here. So initial current value columns, right? So URL is already there. Go to this single user. You can type the same thing here. So open bracket, double close bracket, and URL. Type URL inside this URL. So if you hover it, you'll get the initial current value and the scope of the variable is global. Okay, just to test, click on send. Yeah, you are getting the value here. Click on send here too. So you're getting the value. So let me save this. Here save everything. Here also you can save it. So hope you'd have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.